Hi guys, welcome back to the Small Barn Workshop. Hope you're all well. So we've got to the point in the build that I've been really looking forward to, and that's putting these two shelving units up on these two walls. So I went down to the DIY merchant the other day and got 10 pieces, 2.5 meters long, of 18 by 300mm MFC. Not quite sure if I've got enough, but I picked 10 sheets up to get the ball rolling. I'm going to make two identical shelving units, one at each side, to hopefully balance out the space. Now, the small concern I have is it'll make this space look a bit smaller, so we'll have to see how that looks. The first thing I need to do is just work out how high to put them, because I want the shelves as big as I possibly can, but I also need them high enough that I don't knock my head on them, or I don't knock my head on them too much. This side's okay, it's over the bench. This side will be over a bench. I just need to sort of measure myself against the wall. Now, I'm not the biggest of guys. I'm only 6'3", so, oh no, I'm not, sorry, that's President Trump. Sorry, I'm only 5'8", so I need to just kind of work out how high I need it. Possibly on that groove there. So that'll make these shelves 21 inch. 21 inch down from there is there, so it's actually about the height of this shelf. I've yet to bang my head on this shelf, so we'll hope that that's about right. First thing I'm going to do is cut a couple of bearers from my parquet floor, wouldn't be anything else, to put a bearer against the wall to rest these on. Now there's two ways I could make these cupboards. I could make the carcass on the bench in its entirety, lift it up and fix it, or I could make it in situ, and that's what I'm actually going to do. As you've probably just worked out, I've got a new microphone, so I'll give you my thoughts on this microphone later in the video, because what I usually do is film a day's work and then edit it, and then film another day's work and then edit it. By the time I get to the end of this video, I'll have edited a few days of work and I'll know what this microphone sounds like. Right, let's crack on. Okay, so yesterday I made a little bit of progress. I got the bearers on the wall level with each other. I got the bottom shelf on, and now I'm going to start to build the margins of these two ceilings, and then I can build the upright and I can start to build the top of the units. I will need to rewire this socket along the way. In fact, I didn't like the position of it anyway, so I'm going to move it a little bit further up the wall. Now also this morning I've been playing with this new microphone. Now just for clarity, this microphone has been provided to me by a company called Maono, who make audio equipment, and even though it's not a woodwork tool, I thought I would accept their gift because I tried to make the best quality videos for you guys that I can, either visually or audibly. The kit has two microphones in and has a series of adapters so you can connect it to pretty much anything. This is connected via USB-C to my little DJI camera. I can connect it with flash to my iPhone, or I can connect it to an Android phone, and also it has an adapter to let me connect it to a standard camera via a 3.5mm jack. I can also turn my camera on and off with a button so I can start and stop the filming. First thing I did this morning was just to upload the app onto my phone and then update all the firmware on it. Very easy, and actually yesterday it worked straight out of the box. Today, because I've upgraded it with the firmware, it does give me a little few more tweaks that I didn't have yesterday. I can change some of the parameters of the microphone. So tomorrow I'm going to get back onto this build. I'm not done anything today because it's been so nice outside, and tomorrow we've got full washout, so it made sense to work outside today in the garden and in here tomorrow. Hello. So there we go, guys, the first of the storage cupboards. So just a couple of little things. This end is going to have some more parquet flooring, so it looks like a little bit of a dresser, I guess. But I've not got the cards to finish the job. I need to go shopping, and because it's bank holiday weekend now, actually I've missed my opening to go and get some materials. So I've got 1.5 lengths of the parquet floor left, which is just enough to do the ceiling at that side. So pretty much I'm going to build that one off camera until it's at the same stage as this, plus that little bit of electrics at the side. And then when you come back next time, we'll fill in this little weird triangular piece. These shelves need some stiffeners on because they're going to bow in the middle, but again, I'm just running out of material. I didn't want to cut something up to make something for these when I could be getting on with that, because I've got a full day's work over there. If I do this in 20 minutes, then it kind of kiboshes my work over there. Be interested to know, guys, how you think these look. I think they're going to be functional without taking up too much room. I am going to mount some lights under here so it'll illuminate the bench and the new bench when we get around to building it at this side. I'd like to thank Maono for sending me these microphones. I've just been tweaking them before I turned it on here. Turn up the gain a little bit. I thought the middle section of speech was a little bit too quiet, but I can alter all that within the app. So hopefully this last part of the dialogue will be better than the middle part. And I really like the fact I've got 2 microphones and a charging case, so unlike my last microphone, it keeps going flat. Thank you to Maono for the microphones. I'll put the link in the description should you want to have a look at the microphones. And until next week, see you later, guys. Bye.